Welcome to another episode of The Four Bellies. Today I'm going to show you how to make bakery-like chicken puffs at your home. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. The puff sheet, which you can easily find in any of the supermarkets. Ginger garlic paste, finely chopped onions, some Schezwan sauce, finely chopped bell peppers. I have green, red and yellow bell pepper here, along with some finely chopped mushrooms, boneless chicken, which is approximately 200 grams, some black pepper, salt to taste, and processed grated cheese. Now let's get started and see how to make the stuffing of the puff. Here I'm boiling the boneless chicken for around 6 to 7 minutes. I have added a pinch of salt and some pepper. I have heated the pan here. To it I'm going to add approximately 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of each of the chopped vegetables. Let me mix it well. This looks so colorful. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the ginger garlic paste. I have not cooked all the vegetables for long because I do not want them to be mushy and I still want it to be a little bit crunchy. Let us mix it well for a couple of minutes. To this I'm just going to crush some pepper. And a little bit of salt. It's time to add the Schezwan sauce. This looks nice and saucy now. I've shredded the chicken now, which we have boiled, and I'm going to add it to the vegetables. If your mixture looks dry, just add a little bit more of sauce to it. I'm turning off the flame and we need to allow the mixture to cool down well. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, let's get started with making the puffs. I'm first going to cut the puff sheet with the help of a butter knife. I'd removed the puff sheet from the fridge approximately 60 minutes before making these puffs. Now let me put the filling in. The filling has to be completely cold or else your puff pastries might break. Put some processed cheese. Dip your fingertip into water. Run it around the edges. Now fold this and press the edges gently. This looks good. Make sure that the complete puff is sealed from all the edges. Now I'm taking a small fork and I'm just going to press it along the edges. Similarly, I'm going to fill up the stuffing everywhere. Now I'm going to brush the puffs with a little bit of milk before they go into the oven. Brush it very gently. I have preheated the oven at 200 degrees. The puffs are just out of the oven and this is how they look. You could see how easy these puffs are to make with almost no hassle. You can plan it for your next party with your family and friends. I hope you like my recipe. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Until next time, take care, bye.